us about the complexity of the reasons behind obesity and why it's so difficult for the individual, but also for societies to come together to do something about obesity. So we are in a situation where we really need to work together in strong partnerships to be able to come together, because obesity is not only a complex set of challenges, but it also has very complex outcomes, as has been highlighted by the more than 200 complications that follow with obesity. So what we do need is, we need strong policies that are based in science. We need strong partnerships that are rooted in a common awareness, both on the patient side, within the families, and throughout society, on what obesity is and how we can combat that together. We are still learning all the time, because what we want to do is try to find ways to crack the code together. There is a growing number of obese people in the world. We have rounded, I believe, if I'm not mistaken about the number, more than 1 billion obese people in the world. That is a staggering amount of people. And all of that, of course, comes with associated difficulties, both for the individual, as we have heard previously today, but of course also for healthcare systems that are burdened with the plight and the economic challenges that come from all the associated diseases that follow obesity. So we do need to work together. We do need to learn from each other, develop the right kind of strategies that will be able to solve this crisis. It's a global crisis. It's a societal crisis. It is a challenge for the families that are affected, and more than anything, it is a challenge that is affecting all of those who are obese and who suffer from this disease. And I think one of the big advancements we have seen over the last years is that finally obesity has been declared by WHO as a disease, because unless we bring everybody together, have that awareness, have those policies, have that science-based information available, and act together, we will not be able to overcome obesity. Thank you very much for allowing me to speak here today, and good luck with your work. It is a very important message. Let's get it out there. Let's work together to solve this issue. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your heartwarming message. His Excellency, Ambassador France Michael Melvin.